Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, spiritual community. I hope y'all doing great today. I wanted to give you guys, the youth in particular, just an encouraging message today. With everything going on in the world right now, you know, from the COVID, police brutalities, you know, just there's a lot to take into consideration right now. Whether you're going from 5th grade to 6th grade, 8th grade to 9th grade, a senior, or going off to college, if that's the route you decide to take, I just want to let you know to keep going towards your goal, keep going towards your passion. From the time I decided to take up this journey to the present moment, I've noticed that although I have improved myself on the inside, I've been giving you guys advice, and I haven't really been taking my own advice as far as tackling my realistic priorities and my insecurities. So when I'm not on camera, that's what I've been doing, step by step. Be the best you can be. Be the best you can be. If you're a student athlete, yeah, they may have taken the basketball rims off the backboards. Get outside and dribble around for about 30 minutes to an hour. Improve your dribbling skills. Improve your focus. You know, let your free time, or take the time of this isolation period or this quarantine time to really just apply better things into your life. So I just wanted to give you guys an encouraging message today and let you know that, or give you guys some hope, and just know that I know I haven't been consistent lately, and again, I can't keep coming on here and speeching to you guys because I've looked at my old videos and man, it's cringy. But I see the growth. I see the growth within myself. And so lately I've just been tackling my personal priorities, getting my life together, guys. I really am. Again, I hope you guys are doing well today. You know, I hope that whatever you're going through, you can overcome it. I just wanted to get on here and give you guys an encouraging message, especially the youth, because, you know, this is new to you. It's new to everybody, but especially, you know, having to graduate with everything that's going on and dealing with the fears and the anxiety. It can bring about uncertainty. And so, you know, also just by detoxing myself from social media, you know, it works wonders. Because it's just like it goes on and on. You get it. And so I just, again, want to encourage you guys to just keep focusing on your dreams and goals. As I'm doing myself, you know, but I just want to come out here and just give you some support, be a helping hand in any possible way that I can be. That's all I have today. Again, I hope you're all doing great. I hope you're all having a blessed day, wherever you are or whoever you are. It's the LC Mel. And hey guys, life and waves are alike. They never stop.